Welcome traders to the next video inside our free traders community. On this video, as promised, we're gonna learn how you can profit within those small movements inside the market as explained before. You're gonna learn how you can decide how much money you're gonna lose and how much money you're gonna profit as well. It all depends on your lot sizes, because lot sizes equals dollars per pip. You wouldn't know what a pip is, so it all should make sense by the end of the video. So let's go to my computer and follow through. So now that we're here, as mentioned, now that we're here, as mentioned, lot sizes equals dollar per pip. I don't know if you remember when we were on MetaTrader, we'll go back, but we had 3 digits, and I said I was going to explain it later. So it is the lot sizes. Alright, so 0.00 equals $0 per pip. 0.01 equals 10 cents per pip. Okay, they all have a name, but all of the content that I'm gonna show you, it's my own perspective on how you should understand. So it's my perspective on how you should understand to make your life easier. Okay, so 0.10 equals $1 per pip. And the standard, which is 1.00, equals $10 per pip. Alright, this is pretty simple, but you can also have some variations. For example, if you want to go $6.50 per pip, it's pretty easy. It's 0.65. Alright, the first one goes for the 50 cents and the second digit goes for the $6. So 0.89 equals $8.90 per pip. Alright, and you can go higher. If you want to go $17.40 a pip, it's 1.74. Alright, your lot size will be 1.74. That equals to $17.40 a pip. Okay, so now, for example, let's use USD CAD as an example, as we shall go to the chart in a bit. Alright, but let's say your stop loss was 15 pips and you take profit 55 pips. Don't worry, because you're gonna learn down the road what those are more specific when we talk about risk reward. So just stick to it. Alright, 55 pips. This is 55. Alright, so to know how much money you are possibly losing and how much money you are possibly making as a profit, you simply do the math. Let's use a lot size of 0.12. That will be $1.20 a pip. $1.20 a pip. Alright, you simply do the math. It's 15 times 1.20, so you're possibly losing $18. So you are risking on this example $18, winning $66. All right. We inside Ether Forex community, we only trade with the risk reward minimum to 2 to 1, meaning that for each dollar that we are willing to lose, we're gonna make 2. In this example, it's more. Okay, we're gonna figure how much it is, but there's ours 3.1, which means for each dollar you spend, I get $3 back. Okay, and so on. But we'll get to that when we talk about risk reward. So now let's pull up USD CAD and use this bull run out of the trade at our major psychological area of resistance 1.34 with 55 pips around of take profit. So let's suppose that we entered after this hammer closure, this one, okay, and with a small stop loss of around 15 and then around 55 or 56 pips of take profit. So you can see that your risk reward is 3.73, meaning that for a dollar you are willing to lose, you are going to get 3.73 back. Alright, so in this case 15 pips, I will get 56, and that was a successful trade. So you can simply do the math. If you was 1.20, that was $12 a pip. If you get 55 pips, that is $660. All right. Or if our stop loss was hit, that was gonna be times 15, and you would have lost $180. I like to explain this way because a lot of new traders that join Ether Forex community, they have the misconception of thinking that they cannot control how much money they will risk or how much money they will make, and it's all fictitious. So I like to explain this way because I get, it paint the clear picture of how it works, and it pretty much shows you how you can control your profit and your loss since day one. All right. So if I bring up the MetaTrader, I don't know if you remember, but you probably do. When I show you there's 2 buttons, sell and buy, and the 3 digits in the middle. So the 3 digits in the middle, they are the lot sizes. So in this case, I have it set to 0.66. It's just an example, okay? And that means if I click buy, I would place a position to go long with $6.60 per pip. All right, and if I click the sell button, I would place a short position with $60.60 per pip. All right, and you can simply change by typing, or you can click and hold the arrows up and downwards. Okay, so right now I have it set to $8.20 a pip. All right, so I hope that you understand how to use lot sizes by now, and when we get to risk management, you will know how much money you should be risking on the overall picture of your account, and then you can simply do the math. For example, if you have a trade with possible 15 pips of stop loss and you're only trying to lose $70 on this trade, you don't want to lose more than $70, okay? And you do the reverse math. All right, you get 70, you divide by 15, and then you get your lot sizes. So you should trade on this potential trade that has a 15 pips of stop loss with $4.60 per pip. All right. So that will get you a lot size of 0.46. All right. So I hope you get the idea. If not, when we get to risk managing, everything will make completely sense. Peace.